I had an afternoon off today. It's the 23rd of October. Beautiful day it was today. So I thought I'd take the old 90 out for a bit of a road trip and make sure that Bobby's going to get the best vehicle ever. And indeed he did. Man, what a car. If there was a 90 I was going to have, it would be this one. It's all original, stock, and as somebody said in the comments, it's an honest car. It is perfect. It really is. I went for about 140 kilometres on less than a quarter of a tank of fuel. I must admit I got a bit lost. Now I'm going to put up the little road trip. I ran out of battery within about 50 kilometres away from home, but I know folks like Grebo like to watch me and track me where I go. I didn't even know where I was. Hey, I tell you something. When you get out in the sticks here, there's no road signs. You don't know where you are. And the thing I realised was, I thought, oh, crying out loud, I'm on a quarter of a tank. Can you find diesel here? Petrol, no diesel. Imagine if you had an electric car, eh? Anyway, I want to show you something interesting. I got back and I checked everything out when I came back, and it was beautiful. And look at this. Oh, it's an engine. Oh. Wait. Now look, I'm not going to fake this. You're going to like this. That is the dipstick. Can you see anything? No, it hasn't used all the oil. It's still there, look. It's on the full mark. See how clean it is? Shell Rotella. And I left, while it was on the lift for about 2 weeks, I left it draining out. It drained all the crap out of it, and I kept topping it up and washing it out. Never used a blink of oil. Oil light never flickered at all. Coolant temperature, well, you would think it was broken and stuck right on that mark. Where was it? About, I don't know, just off cool. About, I don't know, 7mm off cool. Perfect. The clutch is absolutely superb. The power on the engine is absolutely superb also. It was one that I mentioned when I was driving around, that sort of little engine there could easily do with a 1.3 transfer casing, or maybe even 1.2, depends where you're driving. It was great. It would pull like crazy up hills. In my hill up just up here, it went like a bugger. So I'm pleased and I'm happy with that. The brakes are absolutely spot on. The clutches, I've never had a Land Rover clutch like that. Maybe now I could be converted to those clutch fix clutches if they're still in business. They're really, really good. Like I say, the coolant's never moved. Everything's been good. Lovely. Lovely, lovely little car. Very rare to find, and it's a real Italian stallion. See you later.